Coach, hari ini ada pemain baru coach. New player in left back.
Yes.
Why you call?
Ini Indonesia.
Kenapa Anda alasannya untuk memanggil dia pemain, apalagi usianya juga masih muda coach?
Gimana?
Alasannya memanggil dia untuk datang ke sini kan usianya juga masih muda.
What is the reason to call him to the team?
What's the reason? Because we need left full back. We only have one experienced Rahman. If somebody happens to Rahman, what we can do?
Yeah,
we need some concurrency on left and right, and we want to make the team.
Kita butuh kedalaman katanya. Kita cuma punya satu pengalaman, pemain yang berpengalaman di posisi bek kiri. Dan kalau misalnya ada apa-apa sama Rahman, gimana? Kita butuh kedalaman.
Guys, I expecting support. You not support me. You support the PSM Makassar. Makassar is difficult situation, and we have exhausted players. Maybe only 1, 2, 3 players. Everybody is new. Maybe we building now a new team. We need that concurrency. If we have concurrency, we can make first 11. If tidak ada concurrency, how are we going to make good team?
Ya, kita butuh katanya kedalaman, orang-orang yang berkompetitif untuk memang berkompetisi, untuk memang mendapatkan posisi. Jadi kalau tidak ada kompetisi di situ, ya kita rawan juga pada saat ada apa-apa dengan satu pemain ini, padahal dia yang selalu kita andalkan, dia tidak bisa kita mainkan dengan alasan apalah nanti, cedera atau misalnya kartu. Ini tidak bagus untuk kita.
And this guy is experienced player. He play already for PS, which he play.
Badak
Dari mana he play?
Badak
Lampung. And I cari every day. I call him my friends, asking anybody is free. I want to try him, and I find him. He's good player. I think he's very good player. Good on the ball. Today show some glimpses. Good. He's good for now. For us, it's very good.
Ya, katanya kesannya untuk sekarang itu bagus.
I think you're happy from the side what you see, but you have to know he was all day in airport. Supposed to fly 7:30. He was in airport about 6-7 hours. And I want to change him and say, Coach, I want to play. This is for me most important. He come the player who want to give something for PSM. He have the character Evako to everything to give for our fans. We want to everything to give for our fans. We give no problem result. When we give everything to our fans, when we fight Evako, everybody will be happy.
Ya,
But we want to play football same. We don't want to fight. We want to fight and play football.
jadi dia katanya menunggu dari jam 7, harusnya jam 7.30 dia sudah terbang ke sini. Cuman ya gara-gara ada kendala dia harus menunggu 6-7 jam di sana, baru katanya dia terbang. Ini terlambat, tapi tadi saya katanya rencanakan dia cuma main 1 kali dalam pertandingan itu. Saya tanyakan dia, kamu diganti untuk yang ketiga? Oh, saya bisa, saya mau tunjukkan sesuatu. Inilah salah satu mungkin karakter yang mungkin harus ditunjukkan, dan bersamaan juga dengan hal-hal yang harus ditunjukkan sama pemain adalah bertarung dengan semangat Evako. Pada saat kita memberikan semuanya di lapangan, paling tidak kita sudah tunjukkan kepada fans katanya bahwa kita memberikan seluruh usaha kita.
Saiful He's very good player. I was coaching Arema. He's ultra player, can play left, right, some stopper, but he's good character. I think he will shoot to Evako. This fighter, he plays Semen Padang, Stevie Java, everywhere he play. In Arema, when he was champion 2 times, he played. He's good player. He's very good player and good character. I hope he will come here.
Ya betul katanya. Terutama yang pertama katanya betul. Saya berharap katanya dia datang secepatnya. Saya tahu dia pemain yang bagus. Dia sudah malah melintang di beberapa klub besar katanya di Liga 1 juga. Ya, dia bisa main juga katanya di kiri, di tengah, di kanan. Saya berharap dia datang. Saya kita cepat.
Kalau pemenuhan kuota pemain asing sendiri bagaimana?
What about the remaining spots?
Tidak bisa Corona. As soon as I think soon. This question we have to ask official. They are looking for visa for this. It's lockdown. Not easy to get visa, but no question for me. I already tell them what I need, what character of players I need, and they have to get it. Inshallah, they will get it.
Ya. Mudah-mudahan katanya didapat, insya Allah didapat. Dia sudah katanya beberkan apa yang dia butuhkan. Cuman situasi sekarang membuat semuanya lebih lambat dalam hal proses mendatangkan katanya. Jadi Ya coba tanyakan katanya. Ini bukan pertanyaan.
Semua vaksin, semua jurnalis vaksin.
Kalian sudah vaksin?
Sudah. Ada kartu?
Ada kartu?
Ada. 1 juta itu tidak ada kartu. Oke?
Sudah ada kartu vaksin 1 juta.
Terima kasih.
Very good, thank you, coach.
Coach, thank you.